Here is how to buy Bitcoin on Binance, step by step. First, open the Binance app or go to Binance.com and log into your account. On the home screen, tap, click, or buy crypto. Choose your payment method. You can use credit or debit card, bank transfer, Google Pay, Apple Pay, or even P2P if available in your region. Now, select Bitcoin BTC as the coin you want to buy. Enter the amount in your local currency, like $50 or $100. Binance will show you the current price, any fees, and the estimated BTC you'll receive. Tap Confirm, complete any payment verification steps, and wait for the transaction to process. Once it's done, your Bitcoin will appear in your spot wallet. And that's how to buy Bitcoin on Binance. Quick, secure, and beginner friendly. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.